And I will say this, that everybody's going to be famous now because of Mr. Gray and his special appearance. I know the YouTube influencers are watching. Christopher Gray, case number SP 1357945, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1191985, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1629749, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1267865, counts 1, 2, and 3. And appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gray, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Gray's appearing. I'm here for special appearance. Mr. Gray's appearing at pro se.
Okay, Mr. Gray.
Okay, strike that appearance. Thank you.
State your name, Mr. Gray, for the record, please.
By special appearance, I'm here to appear for Christopher Lamar Gray.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a...
All right, listen up. This isn't your average courtroom drama. The courtroom's buzzing, cameras rolling, and all eyes are locked on Mr. Gray. YouTube influencers are tuned in. Multiple case numbers, multiple charges. This guy isn't just a defendant, he's the headline. And today, he's showing up like a wild card.
Show cause, Mr. Gray, you missed the court date, sir.
I apologize, Your Honor. I made every attempt to get in. I didn't see my name on the docket when what I assumed was my date. So I don't know how I lost track of that. I do apologize, Your Honor. And
okay. All right. So your name is Christopher Gray. Is that correct?
My name.
That's what you just. Wait a minute. Let me just say what you just said. Let me just say what you just said. I didn't see my name on the docket.
I'm the trustee for the account. So for that.
I'm gonna call you Christopher Gray because that's what we're looking for.
Here's where things start heating up. Mr. Gray tries to explain his absence, missed court, lost docket, sincere apologies. But this isn't amateur hour. The judge ain't buying it. He's stumbling over words, but keeps swinging. What's real? What's defense? Let's find out.
And then I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond.
Okay. Objection, Your Honor. I would like for the record, I reserve my right not to be compelled to perform on any contract, commercial agreement that I didn't enter knowingly, voluntarily, intentionally, and I furthermore do not accept any liability or compelled or otherwise for any contracts that I did not know that I became a part of because of a license or anything else, Your Honor. So I object, and for the record, the state can't be named a party in this suit. I asked that I put a motion before the court. I didn't get a ruling on that motion. I asked the court rule on my motion.
What is your motion? I haven't seen any motions. What is your motion?
I have a motion to dismiss, motion to strike.
And what is the basis for that?
The basis of that is there is no corpus delicti.
Boom, legal twist incoming. Gray goes sovereign citizen mode. Objects. Declares no contract, no consent, no liability. Drops legal buzzwords like he's on trial and teaching law at the same time. The court. Calm. Focused. Unshaken. This ain't their first rodeo.
The three components are there are not those three components. There's only one of the three components here. Okay, the occurrence of loss of injury, that's not here. The whatever happened legally to cause or illegally to cause that loss, that's not here either. So of the three things, the third thing would be me being named. That's here, but the other things aren't here.
Okay.
So
is that all?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Your motion is denied, Mr. Gray. All right. Now I'm going to set this matter for a jury trial again. Let's see if we can get one quicker. Say that again?
You want to know he had a jury trial?
Yeah, he had a jury trial set for July the 5th, but now it's not been set anymore, right? Let's get a date, if we can get a date quicker than that. And for the record, I did not receive anything. Did you get the name? No, you don't check right now. I don't have anything in the file. We're gonna check the mail to see if did you mail that motion in, Mr. Gray?
That motion, one moment, Your Honor.
Courtroom chess at full throttle. Gray pulls out a motion to dismiss. No injury, no victim, no case, that's his logic. He tries invoking constitutional clauses. Like it's a magic shield. The judge. Cool and clear. Motion denied. But Gray. Still fighting.
The motion is denied anyway, but I just want to make sure that we didn't miss anything here. And Ms. Mathis, you can check the email to see if Mr. Gray filed any motion.
Okay.
Again, Your Honor, I object. Article 3, Section 2, Clause 2 says that because the state has been named, in cases that the state is named, then in those cases involving ambassadors, public ministers, councils, and those in which the state has been named, those fall under the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. So that is my objection, and I put that on the record that if the state is being named, which the city of Detroit would be the state, then this matter doesn't fall in your jurisdiction; it falls in the Supreme Court.
All right. Well, you can put that in a motion or whatever you want to do, but I don't interpret the law that way, and your objection is noted for the record.
Well, I object to you ruling on. I object to you putting in a defense on my behalf. I didn't request that. I didn't put a defense on your behalf. You put in a not guilty, and I didn't plead that. So that's.
So you want to plead? You have two options. You have two options. You want to plead guilty, not guilty, or you want to stand mute. 3 options. What do you want to do?
I stand mute.
All right, stand mute. And based on that standing mute, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. All right.
I object to the entering of a plea on my behalf, Your Honor.
Objection is noted on the record.
Thank you.
Tension builds, verdicts delayed, objections everywhere. Gray keeps objecting, challenging jurisdiction, refusing default pleas. He stands mute. The court counters, not guilty plea entered anyway. Clash of control, legal back and forth. He's not backing down, and neither is the system. It's a standoff with suits and gavels. Next.
Well, I'm checking.
All right, let's pass the matter. I'm going to get another jury trial date, Mr. Gray, and we'll get you out of here. Next time you miss, sir, it's going to be a cash bond on you. I'll let you know that.
Understood.
This is like what they said.
Appreciate your patience, Your Honor.
For jury.
Yeah, instead of 16, yeah, said 16.
Let's do the fine 27.
You want to add double 2
We'll add 2, and we can add it to the afternoon docket, right? Hey, let's do it.
to the afternoon?
Yeah. You know? Huh?
Because they want the people to be here at 9:30.
No.
Jury services.
We'll call, we'll put it on the afternoon.
But
It's,
I don't know, jury services.
we'll call them and find out. All right, let's pass the matter. We're gonna figure out this, we're gonna try to get this sooner rather than later, Mr. Gray. All right, I will say this, that everybody's gonna be famous now because of Mr. Gray and his special appearance. I know the YouTube influencers are watching. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Christopher Gray. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Christopher Gray. Mr. Gray, I'm going to give you a jury trial date of May the 27th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Your Honor,
Let's see. let's say 8:30.
Your Honor, I think I have in Third Circuit Court, a pending case.
All right, well, what do you have in Third Circuit?
Issue with land bank.
You don't have a choice. You come to in person at 8:30. You've already missed the day. You don't have a choice. You have to figure it out.
Okay.
In person, sir.
Will do.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Final warning, next time, it's a cash bond. The judge wraps it tight, trial set, attendance mandatory. No show again? It'll cost him cold, hard cash. But Gray's still throwing punches. Land disputes, Third Circuit mentions, more fire. This isn't the end, it's just the next round.